This is the kind of old-fashioned cake I want to see again. Simple, homemade, and full of flavor. The method is easy and the ingredients are real. It has a rich taste, a soft texture, and that warm homemade feel you cannot fake. There is no extra stress and no doing too much. Just melted butter, avocado oil, vanilla, and simple ingredients mixed together to make a cake that is moist, comforting, and beautiful every time. And that is what makes it special. It's not trying too hard, it's just really good. I think sometimes people forget that simple cakes can still be special. Everything does not have to be fancy or overdone. Sometimes the best cakes are the ones that feel warm, soft, and real. This cake has that kind of feeling. It feels homemade, it feels comforting, it feels like something made with care. And honestly, that is why I love it. It is simple to make, but it still gives that rich, buttery taste and texture that makes a good vanilla cake so satisfying. So today, I'm making an old-fashioned buttery vanilla cake with melted butter, avocado oil, vanilla, and simple ingredients. No extra fuss, just a beautiful cake that tastes as good as it looks.